Step number 1, draw a line on this resistance point over here and wait for these candles over here to break through this line, and then wait again for it to touch the same line. Just like that. Then over here you place your buy and you make profits like this. As you can see, the market just shoots up. I personally think that this is better than e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, creating content, or any kind of those other business models that I talk a lot about. These kind of videos get the best results, meaning most of my viewers make the most money online from this strategy. But one thing I've also noticed is that a lot of people don't like my trading videos, as the watch time on these videos are usually quite a bit lower, meaning people click off of them and don't watch them, and you're actually missing out on a really epic opportunity. I'm not here to sell you some crazy $2,000 course. This is just a free value video over here on YouTube. Now this is a small 3 simple step process that gets me over 85 to 90% success rate when trading. And I'm also going to give you a tool that will literally tell you when to buy and sell on the market. As you can see, it's never wrong. Here it told you to buy, market absolutely shot up. Again over here, told you to buy, absolutely shot up. Over here it told you to sell, market absolutely shot down. This indicator is never wrong, and I'm going to give this to you at the end of this video. As you can see on my Tickmill live trading account, I've turned well over $4,000 on the markets yesterday on the 15th of February. So this strategy is really working well. I had one small $200 loss, and the rest of the day it was well over $4,000 in profits. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and replicate this. I recommend save this video to your watch later, leave a like so that it stays in your like playlist, comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see more often. Would you like me to make more videos on Forex, affiliate marketing, content, automation, e-commerce, dropshipping, drop servicing? Comment down below. I'd love to see what you guys have to say. And also, if you want to get started with this, you need to make sure that you've left a like on this video. That is super important. Make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on, and that means we can get straight into this. Like I said to you guys, this is going to be a super easy 3 simple step process on how you can go and make money online with this. Step number 1 is going to go and access our tools. So firstly, we need our tool to analyze and predict the market, and our tool to trade on. That is the mobile application on your phone. So what I love about trading, it's all done on your mobile phone. You can do this anywhere in the world, pull out money from the markets anywhere in the world, no matter what you're doing, whether you're traveling, chilling at home, you can do this even as a beginner. And also thirdly, we need a tool to deposit and withdraw our profits. So the first thing we're going to go and do is we're going to go and grab our tool on how to analyze and predict the market. So we are going to come over to a tool called tradingview.com. This website has honestly generated me hundreds of thousands of dollars on the Forex markets with analysis successfully over the last year. Now we're going to go and click on charts on the top left over here, and it will open up one of the charts of the Forex pairs or the stock pairs or you name it. You want to go and click, follow my mouse on the symbol search button over here. Just remove everything in the search bar and click on Forex, and you will see all the Forex pairs over here. For example, the euro versus the United States dollar. Let me just remove and reset this chart. Here you can see is the chart of this currency pair over here. Before we go and analyze this, secondly, we need our tool to trade. So we're going to come over to a website called MetaTrader 5. Go and search this on Google. It will be the first link. That's metatrader5.com. You want to go and download this either for the App Store, the Play Store, or for the App Gallery for Huawei phones. I don't use the Windows or the PC applications as they're very complicated, but the analysis tool TradingView is definitely better for the PC. So what I usually do is I usually take my laptop with me, analyze on my laptop on this website, and go and place the trades accordingly on my phone. So you're going to go and download this on the App Store. You'll see if I open this in a new tab, it will take you directly to the App Store over here on your phone, where you can go and install this app. It's completely free for lifetime. There's no free trial. There's no sign-up fees down the line. It's all completely free to make money with. And finally, the third part of step number 1 is to go and get a tool to deposit and withdraw our profits. So the tool I go and use is called Tickmill.com. Now, what I love about these guys is when you trade on the Meta5 Trader app with your Tickmill account, they take 0 commissions, meaning whenever you trade, all the profits is yours. They don't actually take any commissions from you. That is why I recommend and I use this broker myself. All you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, click on the pro account, create your account. Once your dashboard is created, you can go and deposit. If I come over to my login page over here, this is what your dashboard looks like. So over here you can see is my current trading account with just over $101,000 in. This is obviously a very big account. I started with about $20,000 7 months ago, which I've now grown to $101,000 in just 7 months. To go and deposit and start trading, you click on deposit tab over here on the left. And over here, you can deposit via all of these methods over here. Same with withdrawals. And you can go withdraw via all of these methods over here. So they pay WebMoney, Skrill, Neteller directly to your Visa, credit or debit card, direct bank transfer internationally, which is just one day. Now, when you sign up with tickmill.com, they're going to send you an email with a login number and a login code, which you'll log into the Meta 5 Trader app, where then your balance will appear, which then you're ready to trade. I'm actually going to log onto my phone now over here, and I'm going to place a couple of live trades for you to show you and actually make money on the markets with the strategy live in front of your faces. Step number 2 is to go and execute our analysis. So we're going to start off with order block, general market structure, and then RSI. So this would be order blocks / major key levels. Very similar concepts. Now this will all make sense as I show you this right now. So the first thing you want to do is come over to the chart and you want to go and add all your indicators. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to go and add these buy and sell indicators over here. But for now, we need to go and add this RSI indicator over here where it says RSI. That stands for Relative Strength Index, which loads up a second little line graph over here. So what this means is you'll see you've got two numbers, 70 and 30. When this line graph is closer to 70 or above, this means the market is at a very high, which also means it should start pushing down soon for a sell. If it's close to 30, like you can see it was over here, that means the market was at a low and should start pushing up like it did over here. So this is the first indicator I use to line up with order blocks and also major swing levels. But secondly, we want to go and identify the overall trend of this market. So we're going to go and click on the little icon over here that says 15 minutes or whatever the time frame is. Click on it, a drop down will come over. Go and click on 1 day. This means each and every candle over here represents 1 day. You want to zoom out until about the last 3 months on the market. You want to scroll to the left, click on trend line, and over here you want to draw a line with the same direction as the market. Here you can see it would be on these 2 points over here because that is the direction of the market. You can see it's at a downward trend, and you want to draw another line at the top over here. So this is a good way to get an overall idea trend on this market. So the first thing I want you to notice is have a look at every time it touches this low point, the market shoots up. So obviously this would have been your buy over here, this confirmation green candle. This would have been a buy, and this would have been a couple of 100 pips. Same thing when it touches the top. Here, 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 and here. It starts to shoot down. So obviously even it tells you over here, smart sell. This would be a sell. So this is the first indicator we're going to go and use, is the overall general direction of this market. The second thing we're going to go and do is we're going to come over to the 2-hour chart over here, and we want to go and draw our order blocks. So we're going to click on the drop down over here, click on horizontal line, and you want to draw lines on the last candles before the market swings the other way. So for example, you can see over here where my mouse is, if I take my horizontal line, you would draw a line at the bottom of this red candle before the market swings the other way. This is a resistance point, or what you call a major key level or an order block. So yeah, you can have a look. When the market touches against this order block, it starts to shoot up. Again, you're going to do the same thing over here. Bottom of this red candle before the market swings the other way. Here's the top of this order block over here. So when this candle over here touches this order block, you go and place your sell, and this market will start to fall down. And all you need to do is, if the market doesn't add up yet, there are tons of other Forex markets to go and analyze and choose from. For example, we can go and choose Great British Pound versus US dollar. Let's go right click, remove drawings, and redo the same thing. You'll see over here, I'm on the day chart. Go and choose your trend line. Draw a bottom trend line over here where you can see all the resistance points is about there. And same thing with the top resistance points over here. Here you can see your resistance points are about there. But I also want you to take a look at this. Another thing you can do with this overall general direction of the market. Over here you will see when it touched the top over here, it broke straight through this resistance point over here, which means now the market is turning towards an upward direction. You can see over here, it's been coming down and it's now going to start pushing up, which is looking something like this direction over here. And how you can trade this is to confirm that this market is now going to go up. Here you will see it broke point. It broke straight through over here. It touched the same resistance point over here, which is your confirmation that this market is now out of the zone over here and going to start moving upwards. So over here, as soon as it touched here, this is not where you place your buy. You wait until the market comes back out and the first green candle that forms again out of this resistance zone over here, the resistance line, your buy would be placed over here, and this would have all been profits. To go and trade this short term, we can come over to the 1 hour chart and we can do the same with our order block. So we can go and click on horizontal line. Here you can see is an order block over here. This glass green candle before the market swings the other direction. And your next order block would be over there. Here where the market comes back down and starts to shoot back up again. You always put your line at the bottom of that corresponding candle. So here you can see went up. Again, market fell back down, touched this order block, resisted it, and shot back up for a buy. Over here to get your second order block would be over here. So here you can see market shot up and back down again. The market's busy breaking through this order block. So what you do is you wait for the market to do something like this. It's now broken through. It will come back and try retest it. As soon as this next green candle forms over here, you know the market's going to shoot up like this. So your buy would be placed over here on the second resistance point. Have a look at Australian dollar versus the US dollar over here. This green line over here is your order block. This blue line is the top of your trend line. You can see over here, this market is at a massive high. So right now this market could be for a good sell. First of all, we're confirming that as it's resisting against the trend line over here. If we come back to the hour chart, it's starting to resist against the order block. All we need to do is for confirmation is we wait for the next candle to form. As long as that is a red candle that pushes back down, that's our confirmation candle for a sell. Also take note, your RSI is very high at 67, nearly all the way at 70, which also tells you this market's at a high. It's an indicator that it will start falling back down. Here you can see on the 15-minute chart, red candle starting to form. So that means we could go and place our sell. As remember, here's your first touch. Over here is your second touch, which is your resistance, which is your confirmation for a sell. Here you can see I'm now on the Australian USD market over here. I'm on my live Tickmill account. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to the chart and we are going to go and place our sell. Obviously over here, I've got a balance of 110,000 US dollars that I showed you in the beginning of this video. Now, obviously how you would trade with a smaller account, you would trade with the exact same style, exact same strategy. I'm just going to quickly place my sells over here. Here you can see I've now placed my sells. I'm placing four 8 lot sizes, and I've still got a margin percentage of over 2,000 over here. So it's super important to still keep your margin high. If you want to go and set a stop loss, what I usually go and do is, if I come back to this analysis over here, I will go and find the next order block, which would be here. And this next order block over here would be your stop loss. Here you can see it's now starting to resist your order block, which is up top over here. You can see the trades are starting to push into break even. I was at profits at one point. Here you can see I'm now sitting at about $128 profit on this trade over here. Now, obviously, when you're trading with $100, $200 accounts, instead of an 8 size, you're going to be using 0.05, 0.1. And what this means is every time the market goes up and down by a pip, you're going to make $8 profit or $8 loss on this execution size. Obviously, if it's 0.1, it's $0.1 profit. So obviously, the bigger your account, the more you can take out of the markets. So in the beginning, it's super important to build up the capital in your account to go and place those bigger trades to pull more out of the market. Your take profit is usually your next order block. So if I come back to TradingView over here, the next order block would be this red candle over here. Market comes down, starts to swing the other way. So your take profit would be 0.71576, which on my mobile version over here is this point over here. That would be take profit. 5 minutes later, market is going exactly as I predicted. According to analysis, I'm now close to $800 profit over here, which in my country is about 10,000 Rand in the last 5 minutes on this trade. I'm still sitting nicely in profits. What we can go and do is we can go and wait for this trade to hit $1,000. Then we can go and close it, which I think is a nice target for this video, is to actually make $1,000 live in front of you with the strategy on the Forex markets. And there you can see we've now hit our target of $1,000. So what we can do is to go and close our trades. You select the trade, swipe left, click on the orange button over here that says close with profit. And now you'll see my balance went up by the profit. Same with all of these trades over here. You just swipe left, orange tick, click on close with profits, click on accept, and now all this profit is being added to your account. And over here you can see on my history page, I pulled out about $1,200 from this trade. And that's going to lead us to step number 3 is take profits and now to withdraw profits. To withdraw profits, you come back to your Tickmill dashboard over here. Here you can see is my live trading account with my balance of now $111,000, which was about $110,000 5 minutes ago. We're going to go and click on transfer over here, select your source of funds and your destination, your wallet, and go and type in your amount. So for example, if you want to go and withdraw $2,000 or $3,000 or the whole $100,000, you can go withdraw as much as what's available in your wallet. You click on submit over here and it will now appear under your wallet account number over here. You can then click on withdraw, select your wallet, and you can go and withdraw via bank transfer, Visa, WebMoney, Skrill, you name it. So you, for example, if we go and select Visa, we then go and type in the amount, for example, $5,000, $100, the full $100,000. Click on submit and it will take about 1 to 2 business days to be EFT'd to your direct bank account. And just like that, as you saw, I pulled over $1,200 on the Forex markets using this strategy. Like I said, save this video. Leave a like on it so that it saves to your playlist. But now the final part that I wanted to show you is the bonus on how you can go and get this indicator over here that literally tells you when to buy and sell. So let me just turn it off. What you're going to do is you're going to go and click on indicators over here. It'll pop up with the indicator tab. You want to go and search Fu Manchu and look for the one that says Fu Manchu Swing Free by Giselle. Click on it and have a look at your chart. It will then tell you when to buy and sell. So what you can do is to confirm the sell over here. You can see it's going back up for another resistance to drop again. We closed profits over here. Wait for this indicator to show up a sell over here as well, and then you definitely know to go and place your sell. And as you can see, it's never been wrong. It told you to buy over here, market absolutely shot up. Told you to buy over here, market shot up. Told you to sell over here, market shot down. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. It's never missed an incorrect signal. But also, you don't only want to go and rely on this indicator. Line it up with your order blocks, your major key levels, your overall directional movement of the market. Go and line up with all 3 of those and you will nearly just predict the market every time. But what I'm going to do is, to even help you more out, I've got an entire trading playlist with about 11 videos of my best trading videos. Now on these videos, I teach you various different strategies that I've used in the past. And all of these videos, I trade live and prove to you that they do work like I did in today's video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this entire playlist. On the screen over here is my Trading 2022 playlist with about 11 videos packed with tons of value. I get the most DMs and the most messages of viewers sending me their results and making the most money off my trading playlist. Yes, other viewers have made money off my drop servicing and my affiliate marketing videos, but my most messages come from my trading videos. So make sure to go and click on my trading playlist over here and I'll see you over there.